DD1200S33K2C by uscomponent.com. The DD1200S33K2C from Infineon Technologies is a robust and efficient IGBT power module designed for high-performance industrial applications. It incorporates advanced technology to ensure reliability, durability, and compliance with rigorous quality standards. Infineon's dedication to innovation and excellence is reflected in the module's design, optimizing energy efficiency and operational costs. This makes it a preferred choice for industries emphasizing sustainability and performance. The DD1200S33K2C enhances system reliability and productivity across various applications, including renewable energy, transportation, and industrial automation. Infineon continues to lead in providing cutting-edge power semiconductor solutions globally, meeting the diverse needs of modern industries. Ready to buy DD1200S33K2C? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.